This is more or less the middle part of the North Island of New Zealand. It is Friday, 7 March 2025, a beautiful sunny day in Tauranga. Here is a New Zealand stamp showing Mount Maunganui in Tauranga. It is from the New Zealand Landscapes, the 8th series, issued in 2018. Ross, David and Lynn depart from Tauranga. They are on their way to Palmerston North to attend the Royal Peaks 2025 National Stamp Exhibition. They pick me up in Tukurua. We are on our way to Royal Peaks and we're driving down with David. We departed from Tukurua with still about 4 hours of driving ahead of us. Along the trip, we drove past an interesting landmark, Mount Ruapehu. Mount Ruapehu is the highest peak in New Zealand's North Island and part of the country's alpine mountain chain. It is an active volcano. We're on our way to Palmerston North, where we're going to attend Royal Peaks. And I'm so excited. It's going to be wonderful. Look at those beautiful mountains, still with snow on them. It's like a peak more than a mountain range, I think. Wonderful. So this is the road, one of the roads from Tukurua to Palmerston North. In winter, Mount Ruapehu is covered with snow. Ruapehu has the largest ski fields in the country, Whakapapa and Turoa, making it New Zealand's top destination for snow sports. From Mount Ruapehu, you can see two more volcanic peaks, Mount Ngauruhoe and Mount Tongariro. Together with Ruapehu, they form a trio of active volcanoes. Ngauruhoe, known for its perfect cone, was used as Mount Doom in The Lord of the Rings. Tongariro is famous for its alpine crossings and geothermal activity. This is really a stunning view over this New Zealand volcanic landscape. In September 1995, Mount Ruapehu erupted, sending ash 12 kilometers into the sky. The activity continued into 1996, disrupting travel, farming, and covering ski fields in ash and mud. Mount Ruapehu has a crater lake that is closely monitored for signs of eruption. There are 3 stamps featuring Mount Ruapehu. This is a pictorial definitive issued in 1898. The series in which the stamp were issued holds a special place in philatelic history as one of the world's earliest pictorial definitive issues. The series was innovative for its time, depicting scenes of New Zealand's landscape, birds and animals, moving away from the traditional portrait-based designs. This stamp picturing an erupting Mount Ruapahu was issued in 1997, and this stamp was issued in 2000. We proceeded to Palmerston North. Along the way, we saw a well-known railway and we stopped for lunch. Then we arrived in Palmerston North. Along the road, we saw parts of the North Island's main railway. New Zealand's main railway connects Wellington, the capital city, and Auckland, this country's largest city. The railway is called the North Island Main Trunk Line. This stamp marks 100 years of the North Island Main Trunk Line. Completed in 1908, the 680-kilometer line was an engineering achievement that helped unite the country by moving people and freight through the heart of the North Island.
We stopped at Ethiopia coffee place. So we're going to drink and eat something. Sorry. Nice. I'm waiting for Joe and David and Ross. Yeah, Joe is coming. Hello, Joe. We just stopped to eat something. And they're coming. We were sitting upstairs, so they're coming down now. There's Ross. Oh, look at the mountain now. Whoa, sun is shining on it. Beautiful, beautiful. So we about 2 hours drive from Palmerston North. Okay. And the show, and the exhibition, and the work mix. Looking forward. We arrived in Palmerston North and David got us here safely.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I don't recognise any of those from looking it up. So
that's Cuba Street. I'm going to turn right on Cuba Street.
Yeah, so we're in the way from it. That's not on there.
In 1 kilometre, turn right onto Cuba Street.
Yeah.
McDonald's, it's everywhere.
Cuba Street, one that's the first of that, and it goes round the
Yes, I see it.
square.
Yeah, I see it.
Trying to get my track agent to find,
Yeah.
find anything.
Roxanne's. I must put that on YouTube.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto Cuba Street. Then the destination is on your right.
We arrived at the place we are going to stay in Palmerston North while the Royal Pix is going, and I think we will be able to walk to the places there. And Ross is here alongside me. We made it. We're going to book in now.
Now some stamps of Palmerston North. In 1971, a stamp was issued for the centenary of Palmerston North. This is the first day cover for the stamp. This stamp is of an old building, the Cassia Birch House in Palmerston North. The stamp is part of a series, New Zealand Architecture, issued in 1982. An interesting old photo of the Palmerston North Public Hospital. It was taken in 1907. The hospital was constructed at a cost of £3,700 and opened in November 1893. The current hospital was built on the same site. And finally, this souvenir sheet was issued for the Royal Pix 2025 National Stamp Exhibition. I will see you in the next video when we will visit the exhibition itself. Thanks very much for watching, and bye!
It's a happy day.